Hi, and welcome to Self-Care with Kevin's Massage Therapy. I'm going to be sharing some ways for you to empower yourself and work on yourself at home, some with hands, some with tools that I've picked up in my 18 plus years working in the spa and medical setting. So let's get you out of pain and back to being your best self. Okay, today we're going to go through some exercises and some ways to work on the neck for headaches, neck pain, and shoulder pain. These are common problems I see a lot, and it has to do with us floating our arms forward, driving, typing, the head carriaging forward. It's overextending these muscles that hold our head up, and over time it causes pain. So the first thing we're going to do is to press in to that pain side, that pain muscle. And what I'm doing is I'm hooking my hand. I'm creating a hook. I'm pressing in with my head relaxed. Once I've hooked this is called a pin and stretch. You can stretch into it. So your muscles relax, you're hooking in to that muscle, and you feel your hand all the way into that tissue. Then we're getting a stretch from that. This is called a pin and stretch technique. And you see how I'm going slow. I'm gonna press. I'm working up the muscle here, pressing in, applying a good amount of pressure, and then doing a movement. I'm gonna go back to the start again. Apply pressure. You can double up the hand here and stretch. So you're pinning and stretch. This is a really common tool to be doing at home. So we're going to get the other side here, hooking that tissue. We've got the trap right there. Pressing here and stretching. Work your way up, press in, pulling down and in, and then stretch. And you'll feel that a little bit of sensation, a little bit of, it's kind of like a good pain. Another one that often gets overlooked for headaches is this front of the neck, SCM. Pinning that and then lifting the chin to get that stretch. And if you're experiencing a headache, you may not be able to go this far. It may be too sensitive. Next, some of you may have something at home like this. You can try different settings here. But the similar thing, we're getting some massage here and we're stretching. We're activating it here and then stretching. So this movement just increases the efficiency. So we're getting a little pressure here and we're doing a movement. Okay. Last piece to this is a cross fiber friction. You apply pressure on either side of the spine and you press back and forth. And you'll hear this little click on mine. And that is buildup along my spine. And I get massage monthly to keep this going good. But this is a way to work on it at home to keep the muscles feeling better. I'm going pressing in and I'm going across the spine, and it feels good. And you're not going to hurt anything as long as it feels good. Do it. Press, and I'm going back and forth. We're breaking up fibrotic buildup that occurs in these muscles. Next, pressing and holding, and then twisting. So we're getting another pin and stretch movement. And then we're going to finish up with just some stretching and movement of the head, going straight back. After you do this, then we're going to do a straight back hold and a turn. Keep it back, turn. Back to neutral. And keep that back, turn. And you'll feel this stretch with the head coming back. Now you've got some tools to try at home and feel better soon.